Yep. And 2. Yep. And 3. Okay. You go there. And then we can switch you on and see what you do. Ready? Here we go. Okay. Off you go. Say something. Hello?
Hello?
Are you working?
Working?
Are you repeating?
Are you repeating?
Are you going to say everything that I say?
Are you going to say anything that I say?
I might do.
I might do.
No. Can you tell me what the advantages of having you? You can't say long sentences.
Can't say long sentences.
You can't say long sentences, can you?
Can't say long sentences, can you?
You can or you can't?
Can or you can't?
No, don't just repeat everything.
Don't just repeat anything.
The question is, are you going to be annoying?
Are you going to be annoying?
Have you got a name?
Name?
Name.
Name.
A name.
Name.
A name.
Name.
What's your name? What's your name?
Name.
Yeah, what is your name?
Yeah, what is your name?
No, what is your name?
What is your name?
No.
No.
Well,
Well,
are you learning?
are you learning?
No,
No.
you're just repeating. You're just going to repeat everything I say, aren't you?
You repeat everything I say, aren't you?
Okay. You're making me sound lonely.
You're making me sound lonely.
You can't laugh.
Can't laugh.
You can't laugh.
You can't laugh.
I can laugh.
Laugh.
Yeah, I can laugh.
Yeah, I can laugh.
Go on then, laugh.
I laugh.
You just repeat
You
everything. Everything I say.
Everything I say.
Can you say Steve?
Can you say Steve?
Steve. What should we call you?
Who you?
You're quite cute.
What you?
Who, you?
Who you?
Me?
Me?
No, you.
Who you?
I know I'm cute.
I know.
You're cute as well.
You're cute as well.
I know I am.
No, I am.
This could go on for days.
This could go on for days.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to you.
Bye to you.
And bye to you.
Bye to you.
And bye-bye to you.
Bye to you.
And bye-bye. Bye-bye.